Do you know the glow isn't just on your skin? It's in your plate, your home, and your life. Welcome to Daily Glow Hacks, your one-stop glow plug. I am Juliet Oriri. Here, we believe glow is more than skin deep. It's the soap that kisses your skin, the food that fuels your cells, the little hacks that keeps your home shining bright. Every day, we'll be bringing you something simple, something natural, something powerful to help you glow inside, outside, and all around. We'll be talking about nutrition, the foundation for wellness, exercise for an active lifestyle. We shall talk about our skin health, which is not too different from our overall well-being, as most people think. But what we apply on our skin as soaps and creams usually affects our glow. Our focus here will mostly be natural, and great thanks to our Creator, God, who has given us huge resources to live a healthy and active life. We shall also talk about teas, herbal teas, stem cells that will help us rejuvenate our health. Sometimes we don't eat as much as the body requires. So these are here to bridge the gap between what we eat and what our body actually requires. They also give us a huge help at the cellular level to replicate good cells, restores sick cells, replace damaged and dead cells, and keep us in an optimized wellness. It is true, you can go to the back garden to pick up clovers, sticky nettle, dandelions, and burdock. But the label has been taken off you because botanists have curated all this together in their right proportion that your body needed them. So you don't need to go through the hassle of going to the forest to pick them together. The work has been done for you. All you need to do is get a pack, open a sachet, put into your teacup, or open the stem cells and put under your tongue. That's just it. And the result is amazing. So if you're ready to glow naturally, stay tuned. Hit the follow button and let's make this journey together. Bye bye for now. See you in our next video.